Once upon a time, there was a beautiful rainbow forest. The trees were pink, yellow, green, and purple, and the flowers sparkled like stars. Every morning, the forest glowed with happiness. In this forest lived a little bluebird named Bibo. Bibo had tiny wings, but a big heart. He loved singing sweet songs, tweet tweet. Good morning, world! All the animals smiled when they heard Bibo sing. One day, Bibo wanted to fly very high, higher than anyone else. He saw Ruby the red parrot flying fast. He saw Gogo the green eagle flying strong. Bibo felt sad. My wings are small. I can never fly like them, he thought. Suddenly, whoosh! A strong wind blew, and baby bunny Pinky fell into a bush near the river. Pinky cried, "Help! Help! I'm stuck!" Big birds were busy flying high. No one noticed Pinky. Bibo saw her. His heart beat fast. I may be small, but I can try. Bibo flew low and carefully. Flap, flap. He called loudly, "Don't worry, Pinky, I am here." He chirped loudly to call others. Soon, Ruby and Gogo came. Together, they helped Pinky out safely. Pinky smiled and hugged Bibo. "You saved me. You are very brave," Ruby said. "Flying high is not everything." Gogo nodded. "A kind heart makes you a hero." Bibo smiled brightly. His feathers sparkled in the sunlight. From that day, Bibo understood something very important. You don't need to be big or strong to be special. Kindness, courage, and helping others make you truly great.